Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. So today we'll see a very simple yet a very useful video is how to install an app in your Android phone. This is one of the basic things that you should know while using an Android phone. It comes very handy when you are having an Android phone in your hand. Without apps, a smartphone is nothing. So it's very easy. Just go to your menu, find Play Store. Just type play in the search Play Store. You can see this is the icon of Play Store. So anywhere you find this icon, this is called Play Store. Just press it, and as you can see, this window will be coming once you click on Play Store. So this is the search tab of Play Store. So here you can see already some suggested apps are coming based on my liking or based on my search history as well. So if you want to install some apps, for example, one marriage app like Jeevan Sathi, you can type in here Jeevan, like you do in any other e-commerce website. Just type in here, a lot of things will be suggested over here. If it matches, then just click it over here. Then you can see the app. So here's the ad, these are all ads, and this is the app. So either you can click here or here as well, no problem. So just choose any one of this. I'll choose this one. So here also you can compare similar apps like Telugu Matrimony, Shadi app. All matrimonial apps are coming or are suggested in your search term. So as for now I want only Jeevan Sathi. So here what my point is, you can compare various other apps as well. So you can also see the suggested apps that are popping up here. For now, for example, I want this jeevansathi.com. I will just click here. Once I click on the app page, you can see the app window will come up and it will ask for installing. So you can see the reviews as well. If you want, if you are new to an app, you can see and compare with other apps as well, like 4.1 reviews, 159k reviews, and its size is 15 MB, rated for 18 plus. Okay, it's a matrimonial app, so obviously it will be rated for 18 plus, 5 million downloads. So also you can go down and see the reviews of this app as well. Somebody has written like very bad performance. You can see the average review. One of those review can come like almost 3-4 reviews are very bad. Okay, no problem. You can see for now I think it's a free app. Let me install this. Let's go. It's starting to install. So for installation it is free, and after you go inside that app, it will ask for like paying for a premium membership. So just for example, I have opened my jeevansathi.com. You can see the app here. So it's asking me to log in and this. So I'll not go deep into this app. This is how you can download any app. For example, there are 2 to 3 ways to search for app also. In the bottom side, you can see that according to categories, games, apps, movies, books, all these things are coming up. Also, some icons coming like top charts, top free apps. You can see that there's something called paid app as well as free app. For paid app, you have to, it will redirect you to some payment portal so that you can pay and get that app. Or else you can try your free version as well. So top free apps, it's saying top grossing, trending apps, top paid app. You can see, for example, I'll open a paid app. Okay, Panda Gamepad Pro, for example. It's asking me like rupees 80 to even install this app. So I'll press here. Let's see what happens. So Panda Game Pro Beta. Google payment method is required for payment. It is redirecting me to the Google Pay for payment option. So here all the payment option will be coming like add credit or debit card, all these things for adding this payment method in this Play Store. So you can add your credit card or debit card number. So this is how you install a paid or a free app in your Android phone. Very easy and very useful if you have your Android phone with you. So please go on and install as many apps as possible, because these days mobile are getting more and more GBs in your memory, so there's no dearth of space. So if you find anything useful, just install it and go on enjoying those apps. So one thing I just want to say you that if you don't know anything about app, for example, I want to go for a good video editing app, you can just press here something related to video editing. I'll just press video editing. I don't know anything about what app I'm going to download, but it should be good for editing videos. I have to press this search button, this magnifying glass, and you can see a lot of apps related to video editing will be popping up in my home screen. And here you can compare based on reviews, like it's 4.8 reviews, 50 million downloads, 4.5 reviews, 10 million downloads, all these things. Based on that, you can take a little bit of time to search or compare between various apps. If at all you love some app, then go to direct reviews, as I had said you before in this video. So compare and go, and then go for installation. So this is one tip for installing any app if you don't know anything about that app itself, which app to download. So friends, this is it in this video. I hope this was quite useful for you. If you found it useful, please like it, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel Infotainment, please do so by hitting the bell button to get more of such little things which will make your digital life simple and make your life happy. So friends, see you again till our next video. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.